T-Bird trading unique glass. There you go if you don't believe me. Bags, wallets, belts, lighters, and the finest of glass. Kilkenny Market. Have a look. A great selection. Where would you get a sunshine and blaster there, Kilkenny? We thought your part 2 would be on the way. Honest Paddy there. Look at the fine new pieces of glass. Our new sets in. Many different colours for the bright sunny day. Bracelets, sets. Honest Paddy. We're here to sort out all your needs and wants. There's the man in the van, right, from extreme driving. Lovely cord bag. Charlie Clark there staring us in the face. How are you, Charlie? Lovely bag, Charlie. Belts for all men of all sizes. Great to value in the leather bags now.